Healthy Eating by Melvin and Berger. What keeps you healthy? Healthy eating. You need food to live. Grains give you energy. Wheat, corn, and rice are grains. Did you know? You need grains more than any other food. Grains come from plants. Good. Eat grains at every meal. Vegetables keep you healthy. Did you know? Carrots are roots. Lettuce is leaves. Vegetables come from plants. Crunch! Celery is a great snack. Eat vegetables every day. Fruits help keep you healthy. Did you know? Most fruits have seeds. Fruits also come from plants. Grapes are good and juicy. Eat fruit at every meal. Meat keeps you strong. Nuts and beans do too. Did you know? We get beef from cattle and pork from pigs. Meat comes from land animals. Open wide. Eat some meat, nuts, or beans every day. Did you know? We get seafood from fish and shellfish. Seafood also helps keep you strong. Seafood comes from animals that live in water. Did you know? The egg yolk has lots of vitamins. Chickens give us eggs. It's fun to cook with eggs. Milk helps you grow. Milk is used to make butter, cheese, and ice cream. Did you know? Foods made of milk are called dairy foods. Cows give us milk. Milk is a great drink. Drink 3 glasses of milk every day. Which healthy foods do you like to eat? Healthy eating makes you feel so good.